Welcome to step 2, checking the dashboard. Once you finish creating your first ad tags, it's crucial to monitor their performance using the tools available on the Zeropark platform. The information included there enables you to spot potential issues and optimize the traffic you send to boost your revenue. So let's talk about raw versus sellable visits. The first thing you should pay attention to is how many of your requests can actually be sold. At the top of your dashboard, you can find a general summary of your traffic's performance, also represented in the chart below. Significant differences between raw visits and sellable visits indicate that many of your requests are being filtered and not being sold. In the case of Zeroclick feeds, Zeropark doesn't respond with bids for those visits. You will receive a zero bid response. Similarly, with redirect URL ad tags, unsold visits will go back to your fallback. So you'll want to contact a Zeropark publisher team member to work this issue out. Invalidated visits. The other stats that no one wants to see growing are invalidated visits. You can see their total number in the tabular data section of your dashboard. Invalidation happens after Zeropark wins the visit and you send Zeropark a visitor, meaning that you see each visit as a sold, but on their side, they don't count it as revenue. There are various reasons for invalidating traffic. First of all, make sure that there are no mismatches between requests and actual visitor data. The publisher team can provide you with further details, so don't hesitate to ping them at publishers@zeropark.com if you see anything alarming. High percentage of invalidated traffic will cause bigger discrepancies between yours and Zeropark statistics. Also, many campaigns are keyword based. You can see the list of your keywords in the information about the feed. Check if it looks valid. You can lose some demand due to incorrect formatting or other issues in sending this data. As with optimizing your ad tags, the performance takes more than looking at general stats. Use all available tools to see what works best for you. You can choose from different dashboard sections, providing charts and tabular data. Good fill rates indicate the direction to go for further development.